Hai, welcome back to the class. Selamat datang kembali di kelas teman-teman. Oke, boleh dong dinyalakan dulu suaranya. Oke, and your camera it's oke. Kameranya juga boleh ya. Saya jujur pengen banget nih lebih kenal sama teman-teman ya. Kita sudah ada di pertemuan ke-11. Oke, good evening. Good evening all. Where is your voice? Saya butuh nih respon dari teman-teman. Coba dong ya. Good evening. Good evening bro and sis.
Good evening.
Good evening. That's it. I really need your response, everyone. How are you today?
Fine, thank you. And how are you, Bro Koko?
Yes,
Fine, thank you.
I am good. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for the response. Ya, saya benar-benar butuh respon teman-teman karena apa? Saya pengen teman-teman berani merespon. Ya, that's it ya. So that's to you yourself untuk teman-teman sendiri. Oke, and then Bro Rahman ya. Hai Bro. Bro
Oh,
Rahman Syah.
hi Bro Koko, how are you today?
Okay, I'm good. What about your condition, Bro Rahman Syah?
I agree too.
Great. Okay. Yeah. So enjoy everyone in our class and be happy to be with you again. Maybe I need to say thank you so much first for your willingness, everyone, to accept my challenge. Before ya, ada beberapa teman-teman yang sudah upload video dan beberapa mungkin yang sudah chat ke saya, tapi ada beberapa yang belum saya koreksi ya. Jadi buat teman-teman yang mungkin saya belum koreksi, sudah kirim juga nih ke saya melalui WhatsApp, Bro. Ini gimana nih video saya belum dikoreksi di Instagram, tapi dikirimkan ke Bro Koko langsung bisa ya teman-teman boleh. Tapi ada beberapa yang sudah, beberapa yang belum ya. Karena bareng ya teman-teman di semua kelas online offline itu hari Jumat tuh biasanya bareng teman-teman ya untuk mini examnya. Ada yang final exam juga. So that's depend on the class itself ya. Tentang apa ya kembali ke jadwal kelasnya itu sendiri. But overall, thank you so much. That's good, everyone. Thank you so much for it. Now let's go to our main material, and it's about my future dream. Let's go. Oke, my future dream atau impianku di masa depan ya, my future dream. Future itu artinya adalah masa depan ya. My future dream, impianku di masa depan. Dream itu bisa impian, bisa cita-cita ya. Jadi dream itu bisa ngarah ke profesi, bisa ngarah ke aktivitas saja ya. It's not profession. Like my future dream, I wanna go around the world. Impian terbesar saya adalah atau impian di masa depan saya adalah saya ingin berkeliling dunia. Itu kan bukan sebuah profesi ya, that's aktivitas. Okay, let's talk a lot everyone after this. Our goal for today is we are going to recognize our future and some occasions. We are going to recognize our future and some occasions. Jadi tujuan kita hari ini adalah kita akan belajar mengenali gitu ya our future, masa depan kita, and some occasions, dan juga beberapa kesempatan ya. Maksudnya gimana tuh ya? Like if you are a pilot, what would you do? Jika teman-teman adalah seorang pilot, apa yang ingin teman-teman lakukan? Nah, nanti kita akan belajar kalimat pengandaian ya. Jadi kayak kalau saya jadi pilot, apa yang saya lakukan gitu ya. Kalau saya jadi guru, apa yang saya lakukan? Saya jadi bisnismen, apa yang saya lakukan? Nanti kita belajar kalimat pengandaian di prakteknya. But before it, boleh dong sebelumnya teman-teman yang mau praktik dulu nih beberapa, silakan diangkat tangannya untuk menjawab 4 pertanyaan ini. The first, what is your childhood dream job? Apa sih impianmu di masa kecilmu? Like me, I wanted to be a doctor ya. Yeah, like other children, kayak anak-anak lain ya, I wanted to be a doctor. What about this? Do you still keep that dream? Apakah masih menjaga mimpi itu? Yes or no? And then, if you change it, why do you do it? Jika kamu mengubahnya, kenapa kamu mengubah itu? Mengubah impian itu. And then the last, what are good things about that dream? What are good things about that dream? Apa sih bagusnya mimpi itu gitu ya? Kalau saya pengen jadi dokter ya, apa ya bagusnya ya? I want to help people. I can help people. Then I can give the free medicine as long as I can give to the society. Apa gitu ya? Silahkan, boleh dong diangkat tangannya. Saya tunjuk ya. I will go to you. Can I go to Bro Will for the first? Hello, Bro Will.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Good
Uh,
evening.
good,
Yes.
good. Can you listen
Okay,
to
how
me?
are you today? Yes, but
Yeah,
I think a bit noise. Are you outside?
yeah. I'm outside now.
Okay, but it's okay. It's okay. I can hear it. What is
Okay.
your childhood dream job?
My childhood dream I want to become a president when I was 5 years
President.
old, maybe 6 years old.
Oh, it's great, President. Do you still keep
Yeah.
that dream?
Nah, no, I'm done. I'm done
Why not?
because it's too hard to get in.
Oh, okay, you change it because it's hard.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the last, maybe, what are good things about that dream?
Uh, maybe if I can become a president, yeah, I can help people. I can do something for my country, but I can do it when even I don't become a president.
Oh, okay, see that. Okay, so thank you so much, Bro Will. Thank you for it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Okay, and then move to Bro Aslim, ya, Bro Aslim. Hi, Bro. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. I still remember Bro Aslim is from Kediri, right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay,
Thank you.
but I forget. Where are you now?
I'm in Bandung.
Oh, Bandung. Okay, for studying, working,
Yeah,
or what?
for study.
Studying. Okay, that's great. Okay. Okay, Bro Aslim, what is your childhood dream job?
Alright, when I was kids, I have a dream to be a detective, you know.
Detective.
Yeah,
That's
because
great.
you know, when I was kid, I watching a lot of Detective Conan anime.
Oh, see. Okay, because of it, you got inspiration maybe.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
inspiration from Detective
okay.
Conan.
But what about now? So do you still keep to be a detective maybe next time?
Of course not.
No, okay.
Yeah,
Why? Why you
because
change it?
you know, detective is not that simple. When I kids think,
Okay, so many requirements.
yeah, my requirement, yeah, it's not
Okay,
that simple.
okay, and then you have to be really, really professional. That
Yeah,
okay,
it's not.
okay.
uh,
So does it not? Sorry, doesn't it match with your passion maybe? No.
yes, you're right.
Let's see. What's your passion, bro? Asli?
My passion,
Mhm.
maybe I like to. Um, I like to create some videos.
Oh, see. Okay,
Yeah,
kinda creator, content
creator maybe.
creator. Oh, see
Yeah,
that. Okay, about digital in this case.
digital industry. Yeah, you're right.
See. Okay, the last maybe. What are good things about being a detective?
Yeah. Maybe being a detective is a good job. You know, you can what is it? You can
Spy.
uh find, yeah, you can find something difficult thing. The case, there is a difficult thing, and you can break that case. It's good.
Okay.
It's good thing.
We can be spy maybe that, right?
Maybe spy.
Maybe it could be. Thank you, Bro
Okay,
Aslim. Thank you so much. Nice to talk to you as well as
okay.
like Bro Will before. Okay, move to Bro Rohman Shah. Hello, Bro Rohman Shah. Good
Hello.
evening.
Hello, Bro Koko. Good evening to
Okay, so it's about future dream, bro, Romansyah. What is your childhood dream job?
my childhood who dream. I want to be a doctor.
Doctor, same
Yeah.
with me. Do you still keep that dream?
No, I think when high school I changed to professional IT.
Professional IT. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So why you change it? Is it because it's not same as your passion or what?
No, I think I changed to professional IT, but challenge and word in apa tuh dunia mengarah ke sana gitu.
Okay, it's like your community, mungkin tentang ya like you have friends maybe that bring you to the
Yes.
IT
Yes, I think I like that.
environment.
Okay.
Okay, so what are good things about that dream? About being doctor, I mean.
I think I can help people. Uh, I think just that.
Just it.
Hmm,
Okay, you can help people, you can be useful for many people.
yes.
Thank you, Bro Romansyah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
It's nice to talk to you.
Thank
And
you
I
too.
think three of you first, it's okay.
Okay.
Bro Will, Bro Aslim, and Bro Romansyah. The three handsome men, yeah, in this case. Okay, no women for the first. It's fine, ya. Oke, nanti ya mungkin yang perempuan juga boleh ya nanti silahkan diangkat tangannya ketika praktik di practice in time. Okay, it's about my future dream job ya. Tadi ya, kalau saya bilang dream job berarti ya pekerjaan impian, ngarah ke sebuah profesi gitu ya. And these are the vocabularies for today. Ini adalah kosakata kita hari ini ya. Jadi tetap ya, kalau kita belajar bahasa setidaknya seperti yang mungkin beberapa kali saya sampaikan ya, setiap kali kita belajar bahasa setidaknya satu hari ada kata baru yang masuk ke kita gitu ya. Even though just five, just three, just two, just one, it's okay. Satu aja pun nggak masalah. Yang penting ada kata baru yang masuk ke kita ya. But consistent. Oke, consistently ya, secara konsisten. That's it. Oke, berhubungan dengan dream job ya atau pekerjaan impian, the first that is athlete. Athlete. Athlete is athlete ya atau olahragawan, olahragawati. Ya, that's it. Athlete. And then ambassador. Ambassador. Nah, bukan jadi OR di belakang bukan ambassador gitu. Enggak. OR kalau di belakang itu jadinya ya kalau di profesi. Ambassador. Ambassador, duta besar. Duta besar Indonesia berarti ya ambassador of Indonesia atau Indonesian ambassador. Indonesia ambassador. Kemudian, nah ini bacanya architect pakai K ya, jadi bukan pakai C, bukan arsitek, bukan arsitek, tapi architect. Architect. Architect is arsitek ya. Architect, arsitek. And then actor or actress. Actor, actress. Ya, pemain film ya. Actor, pemain film laki-laki. Actress, pemain film perempuan. That's it. And then banker. Banker. Banker is perbankan ya, orang orang bank gitu ya. Orang yang kerja di bank tuh sebutannya bankers. Ya general ya, secara umum ya semuanya nih sebutannya banker. That's it. Orang bank dan banker, perbankan. Okay, and then chef. Chef is koki ya, chef is koki. And then police. Police ya, polisi ya, polisi. Then pilot. Yeah, it's not pilot, but pilot ya. Pilot is pilot. And then teacher. Teacher is guru ya, teacher, guru. Kalau guru bahasa Inggris ya berarti English teacher. Guru matematika math teacher atau mathematic teacher. Science teacher atau apa gitu ya. And then lecturer. Lecturer gitu ya, lecturer. Lecturer is dosen ya, dosen. Okay. And then doctor. Doctor is dokter ya, dokter, dokter. Okay. And then soldier. Jadi ini tulisannya pakai D tapi bacanya kayak pakai J gitu ya. Soldier. Soldier. That's it. Soldier is tentara. Soldier itu tentara. And then dancer. Dancer. Dancer penari ya. Dance itu kan menari, dancer penari. And then designer. Designer ya atau perancang. Kadang-kadang dalam bahasa Inggris kita menemukan huruf yang nggak dibaca seperti ini ya. Ini silent G ya, jadi huruf G-nya nggak usah dibaca. Jadi kayak nggak ada gitu kan. Designer, bukan designer. Nah, namanya silent letter ya. Ada hurufnya tapi nggak dibaca. Dan ya lagi-lagi ya, itu memang kita harus banyak menghafalkan, mempraktekannya. That's it. And then content creator. Content creator. Ya, pembuat konten ya. Konten. Kalau kita biasanya nyebut konten kreator gitu ya. Nah, tapi ya bahasa Inggris OR itu bukan kreator ya, tapi creator. Create itu membuat ya. Content creator itu pembuat konten. And then next editor. Nah, ini saya taruh sini ya, editor. Edit gitu, dari kata edit, orang yang edit, pengedit yaitu editor. And then entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Entrepreneur itu pengusaha ya, pengusaha. Nah, ini lagi-lagi kita ketemu silent letter ya, ada hurufnya tapi nggak dibaca. Tulisannya entrepreneur, U-nya nggak usah dibaca. Entrepreneur, that's it. Okay, entrepreneur. Okay, pengusaha. Okay. And then the next one is engineer. Engineer. Dari kata engine, ya, engine is mesin ya. Engineer is ahli mesin. That's it. And then sailorman atau sailor gitu ya. Sailorman atau sailor ya sama aja ya. Oke, itu pelaut. That's it. Oke, and then journalist. Journalist ya, jurnalis ya, jurnalis. That's it. Journalist. Belakangnya IST ya, IST. That's it. And then the next one is lawyer. Lawyer. That's it, lawyer. Lawyer is pengacara ya, lawyer, pengacara. Okay, and then manager. Manager ya, kita nyebutnya juga sama ya, manager ya. Manager. Manage dari kata manage ya, mengatur. Manager. That's it. And then musician. Musician dari kata music. Musician itu musisi ya, pemusik. That's it. Okay. And then the last one yang terakhir ada artist. Dari kata art seni ya, artist seniman. That's it. Artist seniman. That's it. Okay, I think that's it everyone ya. Itu ya teman-teman. Untuk beberapa kosakata hari ini berhubungan dengan profesi ya, related to the profession everyone. Jadi kalau kita lihat di sini ada beberapa profesi yang berakhiran er ya, er gitu. E sama r. Dancer, designer, mungkin ada singer ya, teacher, lecturer, soldier, dan lain-lain. Lawyer. Ada juga yang OR ya, editor, content creator, mungkin motivator ya, doctor. Nah, ada juga yang berakhiran IST ya, IST, ada artist, journalist, nah, kayak mungkin vocalist, dan lain-lain ya. Nah, ada juga yang tidak berakhiran ER, OR maupun IST gitu. Kayak pilot ya, police, chef. Nah, it means that you have to again and again read, memorize, practice. Baca, kemudian dihafalkan dan dipraktekkan. That's it. Itu ya, teman-teman. Oke, silakan. Ini waktunya diskusi nih sebelum kita ke praktek kita hari ini. Nah, kita masih banyak sekali waktu ya, jadi hari ini kita akan banyak praktek, teman-teman. Oke, mungkin ada pertanyaan boleh. Ini ada di chat ya. Fighter, ini dari siapa nih? Si Jenny Maria, fighter, pilot. Pesawat tempur. Iya, fighter pilot itu pilot pesawat tempur ya. That's right. That's right. Benar-benar. Bro, Koko louder please. Oh ya, sorry kalau kurang keras ya, tapi agak. Sebenarnya juga seperti biasanya kayak gini sih. Ya. Sorry, everyone here, is my voice is too low? Apakah suara saya pelan gitu? Yes or no?
No.
No, right? Okay.
No, I can hear well.
Okay, thank
I
you
can
so
hear
much.
clear.
Oke, thank you so much. Oke, biasanya kalau mungkin tidak terlalu jelas bisa jadi dari koneksi juga ya, di teman-teman mungkin ada ketidakstabilan untuk beberapa saat. Oke, is it clear? Apakah sudah jelas nih sampai sini?
Clear.
Clear.
Clear. Oke, only
Clear.
maybe. Oke, if it's clear, let's go to the next. Nah, sekarang kita akan praktek dan sebenarnya kita belum masuk ke kalimat pengandaian ya, atau conditional sentence, tapi nggak apa-apa. Oke, jadi nanti nih teman-teman kalau lanjut ke level selanjutnya, nanti misalnya ketemu materi kalimat pengandaian, teman-teman sudah, oh saya pernah nih gitu ya di basic 1, walaupun waktu itu belum gitu ya. Oke, I will bring you to this. Okay, so now you're practicing. Prakteknya adalah mention 4 occupations that you are interested in experiencing and tell about what you want to do. Jadi praktek kita hari ini adalah silakan disebutkan 4 occupation ya, 4 profesi yang teman-teman tertarik untuk apa ya, mengalaminya gitu ya. Jadi tapi yang jelas bukan profesi teman-teman saat ini gitu. Oke. If you are a pilot, kalau teman-teman pilot berarti selain pilot gitu ya. If you are a teacher berarti selain teacher atau guru. Oke, 4 occupation, 4 ya. And tell about what you want to do. Dan boleh dijelaskan ya apa yang ingin teman-teman lakukan kalau ada di profesi tersebut. Oke, saya kasih contoh ya. Nah, oke. Tetap seperti biasa ya, kita ada sapaan, hi guys, I am. Lagi-lagi nama ya, saya selalu menekankan nama karena saya ingin tahu ini siapa sedang berbicara gitu. I am Koko gitu aja. Oke, I am siapa, nama panggilan aja. Oke, so I will mention for occupation that I am interested in experiencing and tell about what I want to do. Nah, ini juga bisa ya kita taruh di bawah. Okay, so I will, mungkin saya kasih di sini ya. I will mention, I will mention 4 occupations that I am, jadinya bukan you are, tapi I am, kan kita jawab ya. I will mention 4 occupations that I am interested in experiencing and tell about what I want to do. Tell about what I want to do. That's it. Oke, misalnya yang pertama ya, first kita pakai if I were, ya, bukan if I am, tapi if I were, karena ini kalimat pengandaian. Misalnya if I were a pilot, I would. Oke, nanti teman-teman akan ngeh ya, kenapa kok saya pakai would, itu kalau nggak salah di materi ke-15. Nah, nanti kita akan belajar tentang ini. Itu pasti saya sambungkan ke sini ya. Kita di materi ke-11 tuh pakai would ya teman-teman. Nah, sekarang paham kan kenapa pakai would gitu. Ya, if I were a pilot, I would go around the world freely, dengan gratis gitu ya. And I would and I visit and I shop gitu aja deh, saya belanja gitu ya, and I shop many things for my big family. That's it. Again, for my big family. Okay, for my big family. Jadi jika saya adalah seorang pilot gitu ya, if I were a pilot, I would go around the world freely. Aku akan pergi keliling dunia dengan gratis ya, and I shop many things for my big family. aku akan belanja banyak gitu ya, banyak benda atau hal atau ya benda ya, things itu benda apapun itu. For my big family, untuk keluarga besar saya. That's it. Oke. Di sini jangan lupa pokoknya if I were ya. If I were bla bla bla, kemudian I would bla bla bla. If I were, kemudian profesinya ya, kemudian I would, saya akan ngapain. Pakai if I were karena nggak mungkin. Bukan berarti kedepannya saya nggak mungkin jadi pilot, bukan. Tapi maksudnya saat saya ngomong, saya bukan pilot. Nah itu dia. Itu yang dimaksud kalimat pengandaian ya. That's it. Jika kita ngomong, ya itu bukan kita. That's it. Kemudian apa? Yang kedua ya, second. If I were, bla bla bla, jika saya seorang, I would, saya akan, bla bla bla. Oke, kemudian apa yang ketiga ya, third, bla bla bla. Oke, fourth, keempat. Oke, yang terakhir seperti biasa ya, thank you. Ya, sebagai penutup aja, thank you. That's it. Oke, come on everyone, boleh dong. Silakan nih teman-teman dicoba ya, dipraktekkan once. Siapa yang mau duluan nih? Saya nggak langsung ke breakout room ya. Saya pengen sebenarnya teman-teman di sini dulu gitu. Nah, nanti kalau misalnya oke sih saya buat ke breakout room. Oke, once siapa nih yang mau, boleh silahkan. If you want, I can choose you. Silakan boleh diangkat tangannya ya. Give me raise your hand everyone. I'm waiting, saya tunggu ya. I'm waiting everyone. Kalau ada pertanyaan juga boleh ya. Kalau ada pertanyaan juga boleh. It's okay, no problem. Come on. Okay, come on. Come on everyone. Ini nanti jika saya taruh di chat ya, nanti bisa dilihat ketika saya buat breakout room. Tapi agak nanti dulu ya breakout roomnya. Ya. Come on everyone ya. Kita mumpung banyak waktu nih ya untuk pertemuan ke-11. The 11th meeting with us.
Maybe
Okay.
I will first.
Oh yeah, okay, bro Aslim. Okay, so maybe you are the first one here. So mention 4 occupations that you are interested in experiencing and tell about what you want to do, bro Aslim.
All
Please,
right.
time is yours.
Okay. Hi guys, everyone. Thank you for time. I am Aslim. You can call me Aslim. Yeah, I will mention 4 occupation that I am interested in experience and tell about what I want to do. First, if I were a director, director, I would to create a great movie or a series to share my story or my idea about story to another people. Yeah, I really like to share to tell story, but I can't make that story is good. So if I were a director, I would like that. And second is if I were a director of photography, I would I would take some scenes from movie, filming or filming, right?
Yep, okay. Filming.
Yeah, filming that our story. Yeah, just like that.
Okay, great, bro. Okay, next.
The next is a chef. The third is I were a chef, right?
Okay.
Maybe I would make great food in uh, local food, our local foods, but I make it myself.
Great.
Okay, the fourth is if I were be a doctor, maybe if I were doctor, I would go some location, some what is daerah, Mister?
Region.
Region. I would go to some region to give pengobatan,
Give like treatment. Give.
treatment.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to give free
Give.
treatment in that region.
Okay.
Maybe.
Like give help, right?
Yes, give help some people.
Okay. That's all?
Thank you.
Is that all?
Yes,
Thank
that's
you.
all.
Thank you,
Okay.
bro. Ashley, thank you so much. It's good. Okay, I noted.
Thank
I
you.
noted some things. Okay, but I will tell you after this. Okay.
Yes, thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Thank you. And then bro Will. Hello, bro Will.
Hello.
Okay, bro Will, please. It's your turn. Are you ready for this?
Okay, I'm ready.
It's yours,
Okay,
please.
my name is Will, and I will. If I were actor, a Hollywood actor, maybe I wanna play as a Sherlock Holmes, maybe, or Jason Todd from, or Robin from Batman. I wanna play that character so much.
Okay.
And if I were an artist, I wanna redraw Starry Night, famous lukisan apa ya?
Painting.
Oh yeah, I wanna
Okay.
redraw a famous painting by Vincent Gogh. I wanna redraw a Starry Night. It's a cool painting. And I want, if I were maybe apa lagi ya? If I were a psychologist, if I were a psychologist, maybe I wanna help people from their anxiety, their problems, their mentally ill problems.
Okay.
And if I were a criminology, I want to be just like a Sherlock Holmes.
Okay.
Criminal itu apa itu bahasa Inggrisnya?
So yeah, I think that's English as well.
Ya,
Yeah, I think
you.
that's English as well. Thank you, bro. Will, thank you so much for that. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank
Sis
you.
Naila is the third one. Hello, Sis Naila. Hi, are you there? Adakah Sis Naila? No, I cannot hear anything. Sudah dinyalakan tapi belum muncul suaranya Sis Naila ya. What about the other ones? Gimana nih kalau teman-teman sudah munculkan suaranya dari Sis Naila? No, I think ya. Belum ya? Oke, atau mungkin Sis Naila pakai headset atau gimana dari headsetnya mungkin kurang nyambung gitu ya. It could be bisa jadi ya. Ya, unfortunately. Oke. So it's okay everyone. After this I will make the breakout room ya. Setelah ini saya buat breakout room. Coba cuma saya tadi bilang ke Bro Aslim ya. Jadi ada beberapa yang saya catat tadi dari Bro Aslim. Dan ketika saya catat bisa teman-teman catat juga ya. Oke, apa tadi yang Bro Aslim harus perbaiki ada di sini nih. Oke, share my. Nah, kalau bilang ide itu idea ya, idea. Share my idea. That's it. It's not ID but idea. And then, nah ini yang kedua, another people tadi ya, bukan another people tapi other people. Bedakan kalau another, another itu artinya lainnya, other itu juga yang lainnya. Tapi kalau another itu untuk satu ya, jadi another person, misalnya orang lain tapi satu orang. Tapi kalau other itu untuk yang lainnya tapi lebih dari satu. Other people berarti orang-orang yang lainnya. That's it. Gitu ya.
Thank
Oke.
you.
Thank you Bro Aslin, thank you. As the last maybe I wanna go to Bro Romansyah ya. Saya ke Bro Romansyah, setelah itu saya buat breakout room teman-teman. Oke,
Okay.
hai Bro Romansyah.
Okay, hi guys.
Oke, please.
I am Rohman Shah. I'm from Bandung. I will mention for a question that I'm interested in experience and about what I want to do. First, I was a doctor. I will
I would, bacanya would.
I would help people by providing free treatment. Next, if I were a teacher, I can help to educate the nation children. And next, if I were a pilot, I will go travel the world to free and gain new experience.
Yeah. That's all.
And if I were a soldier, I could the forefront in defending the sovereignty of the country.
Okay. It's good.
Thank you.
Thank you bro, thank you so much. It's good. So this one bro Romansyah ya, dan teman-teman yang lainnya juga. Oke, ini bacanya would ya, jadi
Okay.
would. That's it. Nah, kemudian yang ini bukan where tapi were. Beda. Kalau where, berarti bisa di mana, kemana atau memakai. Nah, tapi kalau ini were, if I were, gitu ya, I would, blah blah blah. Dan ini bukan pilot tapi pilot. That's it. Oke, thank you bro Romansyah, thank you so much. It's time for you all. Oke, ini waktunya teman-teman ya untuk segera dipraktekkan juga semuanya. I hope there is no one for today that just be silent ya. Beberapa pertemuan ya, saya menemukan ada yang nggak banyak ya, ada satu atau dua saja teman-teman yang mungkin sama sekali nggak ada suaranya gitu ya. Nah, jadi boleh dong sesekali nih teman-teman ketika di breakout room, walaupun di breakout room ya, oke, tapi coba untuk dipraktekkan. That's it. Oke. Jadi saya sudah ngasih waktu nih ke teman-teman, come on di sini nih. Nah, tapi kalau teman-teman yang tidak mau angkat tangan juga nggak apa-apa, kita ke breakout room. Dan di breakout room juga jangan sama sekali gitu ya. Jadi itu kembalinya ke teman-teman sendiri. That's it. Oke. I will put it on WhatsApp group everyone. Untuk teks tadi saya taruh di WhatsApp group ya. Dan saya akan berkeliling seperti biasa. Oke. See you everyone. Do the best with your friends. Have a nice practicing. Silakan dipraktekkan dan nanti silakan bergantian ya. And if you still have time, boleh dong nanti saling tanya jawab gitu ya di grupnya. Oke? Thank you everyone. See you. Do the best. Have a nice practicing.
Bye, guys.
Okay, hello guys here. So finally we are here again in the main session. Okay. Oke, finally ada beberapa ya teman-teman yang tadi ada saya juga jadi breakout roomnya. I will give you correction everyone ya. Saya kasih correction langsung sambil menunggu teman-teman yang lain. Oke. Our friends are coming ya. Beberapa teman-teman kita sudah mulai masuk dan join di main session kita. Oke. So and then thank you so much for Bro Aslim and friends ya. Tadi ya Bro Aslim you led ya friends, that's very good. Thank you so much for it. Oke, sekali lagi ya, mungkin buat teman-teman saya akan bilang tentang ini gitu ya. If I were a pilot, I would, karena tadi saya nangkap ada if I were bla bla bla, I want bla bla bla. If I were bla bla bla, I will bla bla bla. Nah, kenapa sih kok pakai I would, kok bukan I will, kok bukan I want gini. Jadi ini adalah kalimat pengandaian ya, sekali lagi namanya saja kalimat pengandaian, jadi nggak mungkin gitu. Bukan berarti nggak mungkin ke depannya, tapi saat kita ngomong itu nggak mungkin. That's it, okay? Makanya bukan if I am, tapi if I were. Kalau if I am, misalnya if I am a pilot, jika saya pilot berarti ada kemungkinan gitu. Berarti saat-saat ini mungkin saya sekolah pilot gitu ya. Nah, ada kemungkinannya. Tapi kalau if I were a pilot, saat ini saya bukan pilot dan nggak mungkin saya sekarang ini jadi pilot. Karena sekarang ini saya nggak sekolah pilot, saya di rumah aja. Nah, gitu ya. Jadi sesuatu yang nggak mungkin. Dan kita pakai would. Aku akan. Akannya tapi nggak mungkin gitu. Nah, oke. Kalau will itu mungkin gitu. Jadi kalau ini ya, mungkin saya catat tadi di sini. If I were bla bla bla, I would bla bla bla. Ini sesuatu yang tidak mungkin. If I were teacher, I would teach you. Jika saya adalah guru, saya akan mengajarimu. Tapi kenyataannya saya bukan guru misalnya. Dan saya nggak bisa ngajarin kamu gitu. Tapi kalau if I am teacher, I will teach you. Nah, itu baru, itu sebuah kemungkinan. Jika saya guru, saya akan mengajari kamu. Dan itu mungkin, ya mungkin karena saya tahu materinya, gitu ya. Karena saya paham materi yang sedang kita pelajari. Nah, itu dia. Bedanya di situ ya. Oke. Nah, ini sekedar apa ya? Kita masih di permukaan saja, teman-teman. Ini ada ya kalimat pengandaian itu wah dalam, nanti ada tipe 0, tipe 1, tipe 2, tipe 3 gitu. Jadi, tapi ya ini sekilas saja, teman-teman. Nanti teman-teman kalau misalnya next lanjut ya ke level selanjutnya, nanti kemungkinan di basic 2 ketemu nggak ya sama materi ini, kayaknya sih ketemu ya dengan saya agak lupa nih ya di materi berapa ya untuk if conditional sentence. Pokoknya teman-teman enjoy aja ya, kalau misalnya ada pertanyaan tentang materi yang tinggi boleh nggak sih nanya, boleh, it's okay, just chat me ya, chat saja gitu. Oke. I think that's it everyone. Itu ya untuk materi kita hari ini tentang future dream atau ya impian di masa depan ya, tentang profesi tadi dan juga kalimat pengandaian untuk saat ini ketika sedang berbicara. Okay, thank you so much for today. See you tomorrow. And besok kita akan belajar tentang tenses lagi ya, tentang struktur kalimat. Besok kita pelajari secara detail. Okay. Thank you. Good night. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you everyone.
Tomorrow.
See you.
Thank you guys. Good night.
Bye.
See you.
Bye,
See you.
all.
Let's see you
Bye.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.